Imagine this: you've just launched your online store, you've added some exciting products, and suddenly you receive your very first order. Your heart races with excitement because this is the start of your dream coming to life. But then days pass, and the customer is still waiting for their package. At first, you feel unstoppable. But then reality hits. The package takes weeks to arrive, and your customer grows impatient. That excitement you felt quickly turns into stress and disappointment. Worse, the customer may never come back to your store. This is one of the biggest problems in dropshipping. Unreliable suppliers and painfully long shipping times. Customers in the US and Europe expect speed, quality, and clear communication. Hidden costs and poor service can crush your business before it even has a chance to grow. Without the right partners, your store simply cannot survive. That's why today, we're diving deep into the best dropshipping suppliers in the US and Europe. These are suppliers who can give you faster shipping, better profit margins, and reliable service. With the right partners, your business can grow stronger and attract more loyal customers. Let's explore together and unlock the opportunities waiting for you. What if I told you that the success of your dropshipping business depends less on how your website looks and more on the hidden partners behind it, your suppliers? They are the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. Without the right ones, even the best-looking store will struggle. This truth surprises most beginners, but it's the key to real success. Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to Bizmastery Channel, where we believe master your business, master your future. This is the place where entrepreneurs like you learn strategies to grow smarter and stronger. Every week, we bring insights that can take your online business to the next level. So glad you're here today. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of entrepreneurs who are mastering the skills to build real freedom through business. We'd love to have you be part of this journey. Subscribe now so you never miss an update. Quick note before we continue: this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial or legal advice. Always do your own research before making any business decisions. Your success depends on your actions and choices. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose suppliers in the US and Europe that give you faster shipping and higher profits. You'll discover which suppliers are worth trusting and how they can help scale your business. This knowledge will save you time, money, and stress. Stick with me, it's going to be worth it. So stay tuned, grab your notes, and let's dive into today's topic: the best dropshipping suppliers in the US and Europe for fast shipping and high profit. This is the knowledge that can completely transform your store. Pay attention, you don't want to miss a thing. Let's get started. Think of your supplier like the engine in a car. If that engine is strong and reliable, your business moves smoothly and quickly. But if the engine sputters, slows down, or breaks, your whole journey comes to a stop. That's exactly how suppliers affect your dropshipping business. Your customers put their trust in you, but that trust is only as strong as your suppliers. If they ship on time, your customers are happy and they return. If shipments are late, your customers lose patience and confidence in your brand. Their trust rests in your suppliers. Hence, hidden fees, slow shipping, and poor communication slowly eat away at your profits. At first, it may seem small, but over time, those costs pile up. What looked like a great deal turns into a drain on your business. That's why choosing the right supplier protects not only your customers, but also your profit. A great supplier isn't just a vendor who ships boxes, they're a long-term partner in your business journey. The right supplier grows with you, adapts to your needs, and helps you succeed for years to come. Think of them as a teammate who shares your victories and supports you in challenges. With the right partnership, your business can thrive like never before. One of the first things to look for in a good US supplier is fast shipping times. Think about how Amazon has trained customers to expect deliveries in just a couple of days. If your supplier takes weeks, people will quickly lose interest and move on. Speed is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. A trustworthy supplier is also transparent about pricing. There are no hidden fees or unpleasant surprises at checkout. What you see is exactly what you get. And that builds trust with you as the business owner. Clarity in pricing means fewer headaches and healthier profits. Finally, good communication makes all the difference. When problems come up, you want a supplier who responds quickly and clearly. A fast reply can solve issues before they grow into disasters. Communication isn't just customer service, it's the backbone of strong business relationships. Another key trait is having local warehouses within the US. This means products are closer to customers, which reduces shipping times and makes delivery more reliable. Instead of waiting weeks for international shipping, customers get their orders quickly. A local presence builds confidence in your store. A strong European supplier offers local fulfillment across multiple countries. It's like having mini post offices spread all over the continent, making products closer to customers before they even place an order. This reduces waiting times and increases reliability. The result is a smoother, faster, and happier shopping experience. Another trait of a great European supplier is their knowledge of customs and taxes. The EU has complicated rules, and not understanding them can create big headaches for sellers. But a supplier who knows the system can help you avoid delays and unexpected costs. This makes your business more stable and professional. Multilingual customer service is also a big advantage. Europe has dozens of languages, and customers feel more valued when they can speak in their own language. A supplier who offers multilingual support makes it easier to solve problems and build trust. It shows customers that they are understood and respected. Finally, consistency and quality is what sets the best suppliers apart. Customers in Germany, France, or Spain all expect the same level of quality, no matter where they order from. A supplier who delivers consistent standards across Europe creates trust and brand loyalty. This is what turns one-time buyers into lifelong customers. Spotting a bad supplier is a lot like dating. If they ignore your questions, disappear without replies, or hide important details, that's a big red flag. You deserve a partner who is transparent and present, not one who keeps you guessing. Pay attention early so you don't get burned later. Another red flag is long processing times before shipping even starts. If it takes weeks just to prepare the order, your customer will already be frustrated. Delays here set off a chain reaction of complaints and cancellations. A supplier who drags their feet will drag your business down too. Poor packaging or fake product images are another clear warning sign. Customers notice right away if items arrive damaged or don't look like the photos. That disappointment quickly turns into complaints, refunds, and bad reviews. A reliable supplier protects your brand's reputation, while a bad one destroys it. Finally, if a supplier doesn't have a clear return or refund policy, that's a deal breaker. Customers need assurance that if something goes wrong, they'll be taken care of. Without that safety net, every order feels risky. A strong supplier always has your back with fair and transparent policies. Finding the sweet spot between cost and value is just like shopping for shoes. You don't always want the cheapest pair because they wear out quickly. Instead, you want the pair that lasts, looks good, and makes you feel confident. The same goes for suppliers. You want balance, not just the lowest price. Low-cost suppliers may look attractive at first, but often they sacrifice quality. Customers end up unhappy when products break, look cheap, or don't match expectations. Saving a little upfront can cost you a lot later. In dropshipping, cheap isn't always cheerful. On the other hand, premium suppliers can provide great products, but they might eat into your profits if you're not careful. Paying too much for supply can leave little room for growth. You need to be strategic. Premium doesn't always mean profitable. Balance is the key. The smart strategy is to test products and carefully calculate shipping costs versus profit. This way, you see exactly what works and what doesn't before committing. Testing removes the guesswork and gives you confidence in scaling. A great supplier balances speed, quality, and price. Building strong relationships with suppliers is crucial because they're more like teammates than just vendors. When they succeed, you succeed, and when they fail, you also feel the pain. Imagine playing a sport without trust and coordination. The whole team collapses. In dropshipping, teamwork with suppliers is what keeps your business moving forward. The smart way to build that trust is by starting small. Place a few test orders. Check how they handle packaging, delivery, and service. Once you're confident in their consistency, then you scale up. This step-by-step growth builds a foundation of reliability. Communication is the heartbeat of the relationship. Ask your suppliers about updates, new products, or even problems they face. The more you talk, the more trust and transparency you build. Silence kills partnerships, but open communication strengthens them. As trust builds, you can start negotiating for better deals, like discounts on bulk orders or faster shipping. Suppliers are far more willing to help when they know you're loyal and serious. A strong partnership is about give and take, not just transactions. In the long run, these negotiations boost your profits and stability. The first step is research and verification, because you don't want to rely on empty promises. It's just like booking a hotel. You always check the reviews and photos before you commit. A supplier might look perfect on paper, but without proof of reliability, you could risk your entire business. Always dig deeper before making a decision. Another powerful way is to use directories, attend industry events, or join networking groups. These places connect you with people who already know the trusted suppliers. It's like being in a treasure map club where each member shares clues that lead to hidden gems. The more connections you build, the easier it gets to find reliable partners. Don't just take their word for it. Test products to see how they perform. This is the most practical way to judge speed, quality, and customer experience. Think of it as a test drive for your business before fully committing. A small investment upfront can save you from big problems later. Finally, never rely on just one option. Compare multiple suppliers before choosing the best. Every supplier has strengths and weaknesses, and comparison helps you see the bigger picture. It's like testing different paths on a map before deciding the safest and fastest route. This simple habit can protect you from costly mistakes. We've explored why suppliers can make or break your dropshipping business, the traits of great US and European suppliers, the warning signs of bad ones, and how to build partnerships that last. Think of it as the ultimate roadmap to avoiding pitfalls and finding long-term success. Here's the conclusion: when you focus on suppliers who deliver quickly and reliably, you don't just improve shipping times, you build trust, repeat customers, and higher profits. Reliability is the hidden engine of every thriving dropshipping store. If this video brought you value, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who's starting their dropshipping journey. Every share helps another entrepreneur get one step closer to success. I'd love to hear from you. Drop your questions or experiences with suppliers in the comments below. Let's discuss together and learn from each other's journeys. This is Bizmastery. Master your business, master your future. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lena, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep moving forward.